Long-term climate changes. So over the average human lifetime, climates do not appear to change. They appear to be constant, like we have our four seasons here. It's cold in the winter, it's hot in the summer. That seems to be a constant. But over hundreds of thousands of years, climate does change. Now, these changes usually occur over long periods of time, but human impacts are causing climate to change faster today than it has at any observed point in the past. Now, again, anybody that's kind of lived through this can kind of see it's like, well, we have less snow in the winters, or our summers are hotter, and things like that. Um, you kind of start to see it if you pay attention to it. Now, one result of this is ice ages, which are periods of extensive glacial coverage when average global temperatures decreased by an estimated 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so ice ages were one result of these long-term climate changes. Now, ice ages alternate with warmer periods that we call interglacial periods. Between glacial periods. So interglacial intervals. These are periods between the ice ages. Now, the last ice age that we had ended about 10,000 years ago. And we can kind of see here, this would be looking at the North Pole. So the North Pole would be up here in the Arctic Ocean. And we had ice sheets basically coming down, really down as far as Ohio, like mid-Ohio in the United States. So a lot of that area was actually covered in ice sheets. So parts of Europe, Ireland was completely covered, Greenland was completely covered, all of Canada was covered, and then they extended down as far as Ohio in the United States.